Upbeat vintage toy commercial music swells as smiling kids parade a bright whirring toy, and laughter fills the room. Suddenly the tone shifts with glitchy cuts and a red BANNED stamp, as close-ups reveal sharp edges, toxic paint, and small detachable bits rattling under the toy. Headlines flash with actual injury reports and a safety recall quote, while packaging flashes in jagged frames and a thunderous countdown intensifies. The narrator moves from cheerful to grave, knotting a recalled design that sliced fingers and leaked toxic material, with quotes from officials and parents echoing through the edits. Still think it's just child's play, still think it's just child's play, still think it's just child's play.